Hello everyone, welcome to this new lecture. In this lecture, we are going to explore the jobs in the field of UX design. If you are new to this UX design course, you may have many questions. Whether there is a job in the field of UX design, whether there are more jobs, whether the job is high demand. You may have many questions regarding this. After watching this lecture, you will have all these questions answered. You will have answer to these questions. Okay. So, the first job in the field of UX design is interaction designers, and then visual designers, motion designers, graphic designers, UX designers, UX researchers, UX writers, production designers, UX engineers, UX program managers. So there are also many new jobs coming in the UX field daily. So you don't have to worry about the job in the field of UX design. In the next lectures, we will be discussing more about the each jobs in this UX design. I hope these lectures gave you an idea of the jobs in the UX field. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.